Is Tusewin.cc just another crypto opportunity, or are you looking at a well-disguised scam? If you're new to crypto and stumbled across this platform, hold tight. Here's what you need to know as of January 2026. Tusewin.cc is not a legitimate gambling or investment platform. In fact, it's a classic example of what's called a deposit trap, and it's part of a whole network of lookalike crypto casino scams. So, how does the scam actually work? First, you'll see promotions everywhere, especially on social media. These ads might look like they're endorsed by celebrities or popular internet personalities, but don't be fooled. Most of those posts are either hacked or completely fabricated. Then comes the big hook: massive bonuses or free credits pop up in your account as soon as you sign up. It might even look like you're winning big. But when you try to cash out, the trouble begins. The site demands a verification deposit, real crypto, from your own wallet. Once you send it, they vanish. Or worse, they'll invent new reasons to ask for more money. Look for the red flags. Tusewin.cc has no verifiable gaming license, no corporate info, and no real physical address. It's part of a wave of cloned scam sites, like Viewswin.cc and Bvexo.cc, that use the same tricks, just under different names. If you've already signed up, don't deposit a cent. Protect your personal info, and avoid using your real email or password. And if you spot these scams, report them to sites like Scam Advisor, or share your experience on our crypto scams to help others stay safe.